Students, in yesterday's lecture, we studied the modem and we concluded that modem is a device that converts digital information into the analog and also analog information into the digital. That means it performs both the function of modulation and as also the demodulation, can be used to communicate the digital signal by converting into the analog signal through the widely spread telephone line, which is going to act as a network between the two remote computers which are interested to communicate the digital data. That is, especially on a server, the information is stored in the digital format. To that server, a modem is connected. Modem converts digital data, digital information from the server into the analog. It is carried away through the telephone network up to the client computer, which is located at a remote place again via another modem. This modem converts the analog signal into the digital signal, and again the digital signal is given to the client computer. So that is the main role of modem. Yesterday we studied one of the type of the modem, and that is known as quadrature phase shift keying type of modem. It is that particular type of modem for every pair of digital data in the digital information, particular phase angle is assigned, and between every pair there is again a phase shift of 90 degree which is going to be get generated. Means there are 2-bit data in the 4-level aspect, that is 0001 1110. Every pair has got a particular phase. In between every pair there is again a phase shift of 90 degree, which we have studied by using the Constantine diagram yesterday. We also studied the modulation and demodulation by using QPSK modem. Dear students, today we are going to consider one more type of the modem which is introduced in your syllabus, and that is known as QAM modem. QAM means quadrature amplitude type of modem, modulator demodulator. Quadrature amplitude, quadra means 4, amplitude means in this case there is a variation in amplitude as well as there is variation in phase as per binary data changes. Not only here phase is changed, but here also the amplitude of the carrier wave is also changed. That type of the modem to convert binary data into the analog one is known as quadrature amplitude type of modem. Dear students, it is widely used modem in nowadays. If you consider 8 QAM modem which has 4 phase shifts and 2 amplitude levels. It is represented in 3-bit binary data in the 3 states, which will begin from 000 up to 111. So these are the 8 states. So 8 QAM modem will be represented in the form of 8 states with 3 bits. If it is 16 QAM modem, it is represented in a 4 bit, having 8 different facets and 2 amplitude levels, and so on. And here we are going to study 8 QAM type of the modem. Dear students, quadrature amplitude modulator and demodulator is widely used modem nowadays. It uses both AM as well as PM of the carrier wave. Means as the binary information changes, the amplitude as well as the phase of the carrier wave is changed, is varied. So that's what the modulation means, which we have studied in the semester number 5th in the topic modulation and demodulation. By the definition, if you are remembering, we can say modulation is the process in which one of the parameter of high frequency carrier wave is changed in accordance with that of signal to be transmitted. And in this case, we are interested to transmit the digital data, binary data. As far as binary data is to be transmitted, we studied in the same topic, that is modulation and demodulation, and that is ASK, FSK, PSK, QPSK. So all these are the types of digital modulation aspect, and those are used in this particular model. According to that particular definition, QAM modem uses the principle of variation in phase of the carrier wave as well as the amplitude of the carrier wave as the binary data or digital data changes to convert binary information into the analog form, and reverse is also true. Student friends, in addition to different phase shifts, the amplitude of the carrier wave is also varied. 8 QAM, 8 quadrature amplitude modulator demodulator, is a popular modem that uses 4 different phase shifts and 2 carrier amplitude. 2 into 4, it is 8. With these 8 different states can be transmitted. With these 4 phase shifts and 2 carrier amplitude, 8 different states of binary data are possible to be transmitted. For 8 states, 3 bit can be used to represent the different PM and AM combinations. That means whenever binary information is to be transmitted, every time 3 bit data is to be considered, and it is converted in the form of variation in the phase and variation of the amplitude. There are 2 amplitude levels for each position, which is going to be represented in the Constantinian diagram, representing 8 possible phase and amplitude combinations. As point A shows lower carrier amplitude. Where is the point A? For this. So look at, for this level we have considered. The point A shows the lower carrier amplitude with a phase shift of 135 degree, representing 100. So where is 100? Here is 100. That represents the point A, one particular amplitude level, with the phase shift of 135, having the phase of 135. Means here is 0, 90, and it is 135. Look at it. Whereas the point B shows the higher carrier amplitude with the phase shift of 315. Means for this is the higher amplitude, having the phase angle of 315. This represents what? For psi angle 45, two amplitude levels are assigned. One is 110 and second one is 111. For the phase shift of 135, two amplitude levels, one is 100, second one is 101. 3-bit number we are representing. For phase shift of 225, two amplitude levels, that is 000 and 001. For 315 phase shift, two amplitude levels are 010 and 0111. Means for every phase, two amplitude levels. Two amplitude levels, four phases, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That makes 8 QAM type of model. So this is a diagram that is known as Constantinian diagram that represents the amplitude levels in the binary form and also the phase. This makes to give you an idea how one can convert digital data into its corresponding amplitude level of the carrier wave and reverse, that is carrier amplitude, into its corresponding binary data. Dear students, the QAM modulator consists of 3-bit shift register. As 3 bits are sufficient to represent the 8 QAM modem, 3-bit shift register is used. We are well aware that 3-bit shift register consists of 3 flip-flops. One flip-flop for 1 bit. And that is used to shift the data serially. The bits are in a pair of 2. Look at here. This is the shift register represented. That is a 3-bit shift register having 3 JK flip-flop. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. For 1 bit there is a 1 JK flip-flop. For second bit, second flip-flop is used. For third bit, third flip-flop is used. Thus this totally forms 3-bit shift register. Data to be converted into analog form, it is provided serially. We know how shift register operates. You have studied in basic part 1. By providing the clock pulses, data will be shifted from one flip-flop to the another flip-flop and it is stored here. The stored data in pair, it is supplied to 2 to 4 level converter. Means this data and this data both are given to this 2 to 4 level converter. Whereas this bit and this bit both are given to another 2 to 4 level converter. 2 to 4 level converter accepts 2-bit data and convert it into its respective 4 levels. Means 2-bit data will be in the form of 00, 01, 11, 10. These are the 4 levels, each containing 2 bits. So that will be converted into 4 amplitude levels at the output in both the cases. So converted 4 level amplitude is given to the balance modulator 1 and balance modulator 2 respectively, to which the carrier wave is given to one of the balance modulator without 90-degree phase shift, to the other balance modulator after 90-degree phase shift. Naturally, between them a 90-degree phase shift is introduced. 4 amplitude levels are already generated in balance modulator. These particular 4, the phase of the carrier wave and amplitude level is changed, and that is given to the mixer stage. In mixer, they are mixed together. At the output, 8 quadrature amplitude modulated signal is generated. That's what it is represented in this description. Data is to be given to the serial shift register in a pair of 2. 2 to 4 level converter that translates pair of binary input into one of the positive DC output voltage level. For 0, 0, 0 volt, for 0, 1, some another voltage level like that. It is basically digital to analog converter. Thus, 4 voltage level for 4 different combination of the input bits are produced at the output of 2 to 4 level converter. These 4 voltage levels are fed to the balanced modulator along with the carrier wave, which is represented here. Each balanced modulator produces the 4 different PM/AM combination. After combining these two in a mixer, 8 different PM/AM are produced. 16 QAM, 32 QAM signal is also used. The highest speed modem in QAM is trellis code modulation. In quadrature amplitude modulation, trellis code generation is a high speed modem that can be used for the purpose of converting digital data into the analog one. This converted analog signal is given to the telephone line. It is carried away through the telephone network and it is given to the demodulator. The demodulator converts this 8 QAM analog signal again into 3-bit binary digit. They are combined together and then those are given to the computer at the client place. Dear students, such a modem, we can call it as it is the QAM type of modem. Student friends, that's all about the meaning of the quadrature amplitude modulation. Here we are completing our aspect of modem. Next time we will go for the concept of networking. Today we'll stop here only.